This is what the finished product looks like. Panko crusted rack of lamb. First thing is we're gonna turn our skillet onto medium-high heat, and we're gonna warm it up until the skillet is smoking. This is gonna contain just 3 cups of water with 2 tablespoons of salt. This is what we're gonna use to make our squash puree. So to make our puree, we have water boiling. So now we're gonna add our squash to the boiling water, and we're gonna cook for about 10 minutes. So to make our puree, we have water boiling. So now we're gonna add our squash to the boiling water, and we're gonna cook for about 10 minutes. Once your skillet is smoking, we're gonna season and sear the rack of lamb. So to sear our lamb, I'm gonna have a little bit of olive oil and make sure we rub that in both sides. And we're gonna season with salt and pepper. Always remember, once you're done, mop up your cutting board, all the excess seasoning. And now we are ready to sear. Time to sear. So we're gonna get our lamb that's already seasoned, and we're gonna sear it for 3 minutes on the presentation side, and we're gonna sear it for another 30 seconds on the back side, and then finish it in the oven at 375 for 6 minutes. Now that we've seared the presentation side, we're gonna sear for 30 seconds on the back. You wanna get that nice golden brown color, and then we're gonna finish in the oven at 375 for 6 minutes. Okay, so while we wait for the lamb to come out of the oven, we're gonna make the breadcrumb. Okay, to make the herb crust, we're gonna add some panko breadcrumb. See, about an ounce. Then we're gonna add some parsley. So we add the breadcrumb, parsley to the food processor. Now we're gonna add some thyme leaves, some rosemary, some oregano. We're gonna blend. To get this really incorporated, we're gonna add 1 ounce olive oil. So this is our finished product, and we're gonna have some Dijon mustard, about 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard that we're gonna use to brush the lamb, and then we're gonna apply the panko breadcrumb. We're gonna add our squash. There we go. We're gonna squeeze. And we're gonna repeat that process. Perfect. And get rid of the excess potatoes, and we are ready to go. So in a medium saucepan, we're gonna add about a tablespoon of butter, and about 2 ounces of heavy cream. And put that on high heat, medium-high heat. We're gonna melt that and incorporate it within our puree. That is a thing of beauty. Wow. Perfect sear. We're just gonna cool it down. I'm gonna add our breadcrumb. This is the herb breadcrumb. I'm gonna put it back in the oven for about 4 minutes to be toasty and nice. Perfect. Now that we have rested our beautifully seared and cooked rack of lamb, we're gonna apply some Dijon mustard. and be generous. Nice. Apply some Dijon mustard. Again, the recipe will be in the description. And guys, if you're not following me, please subscribe and also click the bell icon to always be first to get this video. Nice. Now that we've coated it with the Dijon, we're gonna add our crust to it. Be generous. Nice. Make sure you put that in place. Nice. Amazing. I love it. This is beautiful. There you go. Nice. Nice. So that's what it looks like. So this is gonna go back in the oven for another 3 to 4 minutes to get this crust crispy and nice. I'm gonna add the heavy cream and butter. I'm gonna mix with a whisk until smooth lumps. Now that it's out of the oven, we're gonna let it sit for about 3 to 4 minutes to rest, so we don't cut into it and let all the juices go all over the place. We want to give it some time to rest, about 4 minutes. So now we're gonna cut into, there you go. We're gonna cut, there you go, and then there you go. Perfect, medium well. So now, bonus feature, we're gonna show you how we would plate this. So put a dollop, there we go. And we would put these two lovely crusted piece of meat. There you go. And to top it off, made some truffle green oil. We're gonna pull a little bit here, just right there. Perfect. Welcome to another booming video from Street Kitchen. Thank you very much for your likes and support, and see you next time.